Hi everyone, welcome to Threads and Fads. Today, we're going to make some beautiful tote bags. I'll show you how to upcycle this skirt into a simple yet beautiful tote bag. I'm sure you're gonna love this, so let's get started. Begin by removing the waistband and zipper. Now, cut the fabric. Next step is to make the bag straps. Now that the straps are ready, attach them to the main body. Here's how to do it. Stitch an X to secure the straps firmly. This time, sew the bag pieces using French seams. Here's how to do it. French seam completed. Now, turn the bag right side out. And here's the finished tote bag. That's it for this episode. If you loved it, hit like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. See you in the next one.